Hello friend, welcome back to Total Maintenance YouTube channel. I have here for you today 2006 Toyota Tacoma two-wheel drive single cab, right? 4-cylinder engine. It's a friend's truck and he said, oh, something is making noise underneath the vehicle, possibly drivetrain, right? So I thought, oh, there will be need for a test drive, but the moment I started shifting and driving it, there was a huge banging from underneath, so I didn't even go for any diagnostic test drive. I want to show you this stick shift, right? This ball on it, it fits in the hand so good. I'm loving to shift this, it's a pleasure. So it was a little detail. So back to the problem why it came today, right? Rattle, banging, steel noises from underneath the truck. Let's lift her up and see what is happening with it. Let's grab a light and see what is happening there. So this is the front, right? That 4-cylinder engine, pretty typical, right? Two-wheel drive. We will have no drivetrain noises from here, and we are going backwards. That manual transmission, this seems to be lubricated, right? Somebody was taking care of that U-joint and it seems to be no play or anything here. I just grabbed that and I heard some pop from here. So I guess we will have, as usually, the problem on the rear U-joint. Excuse me, I keep banging my head on everything. And here we go. Look at it. Don't you think this is loose? So yeah, it was very easy for us, right? And that's why it was so noisy. I heard the steel banging immediately when I put it in reverse, then I put it in the first gear and so on. So only one thing puzzles me on these. Why people let it go so long that they start creating damages which could have been avoided, right? If this started getting loose, I'm sure it started making noise at the, on the highway speeds, and then it started progressing this way. It's really damaged, and it might need this whole part replaced also instead of changing that U-joint only. Okay, now we know what's happening. So in this case I need to remove those broken parts, right? The whole shaft. I will need a press, right, a hydraulic press to press out the damaged U-joint and later press in the new one. But this part has to be evaluated, right, if it's even reusable or it has to be replaced. And I don't think that will be in stock anywhere. Everybody has that U-joint, but this might be not in anybody's stock, right, and that might be a special order. We will see. I don't have a time to stand around with camera today. I have way more stuff to do today, so I will stop this video here, but I wanted to show you, if you hear the rattling steel kind of noises while you are shifting, while you are putting in the gear, please get it fixed or get it diagnosed ASAP so you don't create any additional repairs. Thank you for watching and be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. See ya, my friend.